Want your QR codes to turn heads? With QR Code Kit, you can now give any QR code a stunning AI-powered makeover. No design skills needed. Here's how to do it step by step. First, log into your QR Code Kit dashboard. Either create a new QR code or find an existing one. Click the three-dot menu and choose Customize QR. On the customization screen, look for the banner that says Beautify your QR code. Click Try it now. Now comes the fun part. Type in a creative prompt. You can experiment with different styles, moods, or themes to match your brand or campaign. When you're ready, click Reimagine QR code. Wait a few seconds while the AI works its magic. You'll get 4 unique QR designs to preview. Like one? Just click the download icon to save it and start using it right away. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've turned a standard QR code into a shareable, branded visual that gets attention. Try the AI-powered QR Beautifier today and give your codes the glow-up they deserve. Only with QR Code Kit.